Here's a comprehensive overview of judicial systems in Pakistan and India, focusing on key aspects like judicial independence, activism, and constitutional rules. Judicial independence, Pakistan. The judiciary in Pakistan has faced significant challenges in maintaining its independence due to political turmoil and executive interference. Historical events such as dismissal of judges and the imposition of martial law have implicated its autonomy. India's judiciary is known for its strong constitutional provisions that ensure judicial independence. Supreme Court of India has played a crucial role in upholding the rule of law and protecting fundamental rights through public interest litigations. Judicial activism. Judicial activism in Pakistan have been a double-edged sword. While it has led to significant rulings on human rights and corruption, it has also been criticized for overstepping into executive domain. In India, the judiciary is renowned for its activism, especially through PLS, which has been addressed various social issues. This activism has been instrumental in advancing environmental protections, women's rights, and social justice causes. Constitutional roles in Pakistan's judiciary's role has been shaped in political turmoils. The court has often been called upon to interpret constitutional period in political instability. In India, the judiciary has a well-defined role in interpreting constitution. Landmark cases like Kaswanda Bharati has established judiciary authority to review and strike down constitutional amendments that violated the basic structure of the constitution. Challenges and reforms. The judicial system in Pakistan faces challenges such as case backlogs, accessibility to issue, public perception of corruption. Reforms are needed to enhance efficiency and restore public trust. While in India, judiciary is robust, it also faces challenges like delays in cases, and the need of judicial reforms is very much required. They should be transparency. This is a comprehensive analysis highlighted the strength and challenges of the judicial system in the both countries, reflecting a unique and social context.